If you are looking for the best magnetic wristbands, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on a personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. At the 7th position of our list, we have Super Strong Hitsura. This is a well-stitched and strong magnetic wristband that you can count on. It is perfect for both men and women and is meant to last for a long time. The nylon material it is made up of is quite strong. It can handle a lot of weight and will not get damaged. Even if you wear pointy items like nails, the material doesn't feel heavy and will not prevent you from moving your hand or arm. The mesh inside a magnetic wristband plays a vital role in offering good breathability and comfort. This one has a fine mesh pad inside that offers a soft feel when worn around the wrist. There are several magnets embedded into the fabric that makes it a powerful wristband. It can easily hold 175 half-inch nails, 60 into 1x4-inch screws, 72-inch nails, and around 23-inch screws. Next at number 6, we have Vestar. Vestar is a powerful and affordable magnetic wristband that will hold your screws, bolts, nuts, drill bits, and heavier items as well. It has a breathable design that doesn't irritate the skin even if you wear it for a long period of time. This magnetic wristband incorporates 5 strong magnets inside the fabric that offers an excellent pulling and holding power. Moreover, the magnets are arranged in a nice way to provide with more surface area. This means you will be able to hold a large number of items using this wristband. Most budget-friendly magnetic wristbands lose their charm with time, but not this one. The beauty is mild dew, UV, and water resistant. This is possibly due to the 100% Ballastic 1680D polyester material it is composed of. Hence, you won't be needing any other magnetic wristband for a long time if you purchase this one. The size is universal and fits almost all wrists. You can adjust it using the Velcro strap. Apart from this wristband is extremely cozy and comfortable thanks to the soft mesh pad inside it. The number 5 position is held by GUAS GRC61. GUAS GRC wristband comes with superior holding power. It has a simple design that ensures ease of use, plus it feels comfortable around the wrist even if you wear it for many hours. You will hardly find a magnetic wristband that has 15 magnets installed in it, but this one, GOACC, offers a wide magnetic surface area thanks to so many magnets scattered around the wristband. It is manufactured with 1680D Ballastic polyester material that not only offers good durability but also protection against water. It has the tendency to absorb water and will remain in good shape for years to come. It covers all wrists that measure between 4 to 14.5 inches. It feels firm and cozy on the wrist when tightened as the Velcro strap is of excellent quality. The wristband doesn't feel too tight on the wrist and doesn't make you feel uncomfortable. In fact, you can also fasten it on your arm or belt. The number 4 position is dominated by magnetic wristband by MagBand. If you are on a lookout for the best magnetic wristband to be your DIY wingman, then this one can be a viable option. It can hold both smaller and larger items thanks to the excellent surface area. There are 10 strong disc magnets embedded inside the fabric that provide excellent attraction and holding power. The manufacturer claims that the tool can hold up to 144 half-inch nails, 100 screws, 68 2-inch nails, 50 large screws. If that doesn't impress you, how about a small hammer? Yes, this beauty can withstand the weight of a small hammer as well. However, make sure to be careful about the weight you put on your wrist or hand, as it can lead to pain and trouble later on. Dark wristbands may look good, but they can be difficult to handle in use, especially in poor light conditions. It can get difficult to spot the screws in such situations, which is why this one can be a good option. Its orange magnetic surface will allow you to see the attached nails and screws easily. This will help you save time and make your job easier. It has a Velcro strap that offers a firm grip around the wrist when worn. This tool covers most wrist sizes and ensures the wristband stays firm in its place. Plus, the unit is quite comfortable to wear thanks to the soft mesh inside that prevents irritation. If this is not enough, you also have the option to link it to a belt. Moving on to the next at number 3 with Vizsla Magnetic Wristband. People wanting to add a touch of professionalism to their work can tend to Vizsla Magnetic Wristband, as it comes in a set of 2. Both the wristbands are of different sizes and can hold different items, thus making less clutter around your wrist. Nylon 1680D not only makes it super durable but resistant to mildew and UV rays as well. hence expect this tool to stay by your side for a long time. What can be more exciting than getting 2 wristbands for the price of 1? You will receive 2 wristbands of various sizes when you buy this product. The smaller wristband is suitable for smaller items, whereas the bigger one can handle heavier items. You also have the option to wear both the wristbands and reduce clutter. It is best to wear each one on one hand, but find a position that works the best for you. The wristband incorporates a neodymium magnet inside the fabric that offers a tremendous pulling and holding power. Thanks to it, both smaller and larger items will stay on your wrist. There's a 3D mesh cushioning embedded into the fabric that makes this tool super comfortable, even if worn for many hours. Both the smaller and larger sizes are adjustable around the wrist. They won't fall off or feel loose on your wrist thanks to the solid Velcro strap. The number 2 position is held by Magnalex Magnetic Wristband. If you're looking for a lightweight magnetic wristband that can host both smaller and larger items, then consider the Magnalex Magnetic Wristband. It offers a wide surface area and is capable of holding multiple items. Unlike most manufacturers, the makers of this wristband has put a lot of thought on the quality rather than the appearance. It features a 9-magnet design, that is, it contains 9 separate magnets built inside the wristband for superior power. It can easily hold screws, nails, drill bits, and etc. Apart from functionality, it has tremendous durability as well. This is possible thanks to the high-end polyester material it is made up of. Moreover, there is padding inside the band that makes it breathable and prevents your hand from sweating. It incorporates a quality Velcro strap that makes this magnetic wristband adjustable. It can cater to all kinds of wrists and will not move up or down when worn. Finally, the number 1 position is dominated by MagnaGrip 311090. MagnaGrip is one of the best magnetic wristbands for many reasons. It is strong and has an aesthetically pleasing design. It will make your work easier by housing nails, small scissors, and similar items. The durability of this wristband is off the charts since it is manufactured using 1680D ballistic polyester. It doesn't feel heavy when worn and is also protected from outside elements such as mildew, hence expect it to run for a long time. It's common for wristbands to lose their attraction power due to poor quality magnets. However, this is not the case with MagnaGrip. It houses 2 large and strong magnets. Whether you have a big wrist or a small one, this product will fasten around your wrist easily without any stress. It weighs only 1.6 ounces and won't even make you feel tired. One of the strongest qualities of this magnetic wristband is the comfortability it provides. You will not feel any sort of itchiness because the inner pad has a mesh padding inside that feels super cozy. Apart from that, it is an attractive color combination of black and red that looks amazing. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.